Hello everybody, it's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. Out on a beautiful hike here on a winter day with my pups. We've got Raleigh over there just dilly-dallying. You know the phrase lollygagging? We always say Raleigh-gagging because that's what he does. Also, he's blind, so he likes to just smell the roses, pee on things a little more than every other dog. But I'm out here just brainstorming up some content for you guys and some ideas, and I've got a question to pose for you. If the people, for you business owners, if the people in your organization right now that are in the key positions, supplementer, production manager, sales manager, whatever, if those people all quit today, would you be screwed? What I mean by that is, are those individuals the ones that just have the knowledge and you right now have an operating company because you found the right people and they have the right knowledge and you're just like, whew, now Troy takes care of supplementing. Troy's great. What if Troy dies? Not trying to be morbid, sorry Troy. What if Troy moves to Tibet to become a monk? What if his wife gets pregnant and wants to move back to Michigan to be closer to the family? What if he decides to go work for a different company? A million things can happen to Troy, okay? And if he leaves, it's a very powerless position to be in, to have been relying on Troy for his information, right? So if your company right now is relying on just having the right educated, knowledgeable, skilled people in place, you're in trouble, because that is a house of cards ready to fall over. What needs to happen in your company is there needs to be, instead of everything existing in the individual's head, like Troy's got this information and Sandra's got this information, and that's why they're in these positions, it needs to be that your company has the systems and protocols and processes in place so that if Troy quits, we hire Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. And Brandon just shows up at the company and goes through those systems and protocols, and then he can do the job, okay? You can't just try to find another Troy. It's like, if your company is based on right now, well, if Troy quits, we just have to try to find another Troy, you're in trouble, okay? We need everything in-house to be systemized, standardized, repeatable. And that's how you have a machine that just requires bodies. And obviously I'm exaggerating just a little bit here. Yes, we still want to hire people who have good work ethic and are positive and hardworking, intelligent, team players, right? And experience is a bonus. We love that. We love finding those people that do have experience and knowledge and stuff like that. But that can't be the crutch that you're leaning on for your company to flow. So think about your business like a franchise. How do franchises work? They have a system that they repeat over and over and over. McDonald's is not successful because they just found the right people to run the McDonald's. No, they hire anybody. Their turnover is probably ridiculous. I don't know what the turnover in McDonald's is, but it's a fast food job. I'm sure it's pretty high, okay? And it's not like they're hiring the best, most qualified, educated people, but no matter who they hire, the people show up at the restaurant and the restaurant runs because McDonald's says it's all laid out. Here's exactly how we make the food, exactly how we clean the kitchen, exactly how we price the menu. Here are our hours. Here's how the customer service should go. Here's what you need to dress like. Here's what you need, right? Like, here's what you need to say. Everything is just regimented and it's repeatable, and that's why there's 38,000 McDonald's locations across the planet, and they're the #1 successful franchise in the world. Can you say that about your roofing company? Could you even replace one person easily today? Okay. A lot of you are doing the same thing with your salespeople. You're just hoping to find natural born salespeople or people that out of the box already know how to sell $1 million a year. You've got a painstaking chore ahead of you to find these right people. And then guess what? You have to try to keep them for the rest of your company's career. It's not reasonable. It's not scalable, and it's not safe. You can't rely on that platform. So I encourage you all today to really take a look at your business and be really honest with yourself. Is that how my business is? If all these people quit today, am I fucked? And if I am, let's fix that now. Let's fix that by implementing repeatable systems and programs. And again, I've made it super easy for you guys. Yes, shameless sales plug per usual, because that's what I do. Hi, Look at him. He's such a good boy. But I have it all dialed for you guys. I've done it myself. So instead of saying, well, I could do it, I'll just need to get around to it and sit down and write everything down. Good luck. I wrote 6 programs. It took me years of dedicating all of my energy to that. So please don't reinvent the wheel. Check out my website, roofsalesmastery.com. I've got 6 different programs and systems that are turnkey, repeatable, meant to completely streamline your entire roofing company inside. And there's bundles and packages. There's an all-inclusive business owners package and all that good stuff. So go to roofsalesmastery.com, click around, check it out. You can always email me, Becca, BECCA, at roofsalesmastery.com and say, hey, Becca, shots fired. Your email or your last video really struck a chord with me. I would be totally effed if everybody in my company quit right now. So I'd be happy to chat with you. We can do a sales call and get you enrolled in one of the programs. So anywho, I'm going to get off the phone because now I'm walking in a very uneven, snowy surface and I don't want to fall in a badger hole. You know what I mean? I love you guys. Keep it crunchy out there and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.